Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gideon Keys. In today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you guys how to play basic worship on the key of C. Your C, which is your Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do, Mi, Re, Do. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to this very channel, please do it to like, subscribe and share. So first off, I'll be using a simple song and the 1, 4, 5 progression. You get me? So, which is your Do, Fa, Sol. Most songs normally dwell on this very progression: your Do, your Fa, your Sol. You understand? So let's use a simple song now. So what I played here is my Do, Fa, and the Sol. That's all. As a beginner, you should know this. Your Do on your C, which is your C, your E, and your G. Hope you're saying it. Your C, your E, and your G. You can as well invert it, but not on. I will do it in another tutorial to show you guys. Your C, your E, and your G. Your Fa, which is your C, your F, and your A. It's very simple. It's the white keys. For a beginner, you can play all the white keys for your C. Then your Sol, which is your B, your D, and your G. Hope you're getting it. That gives you your Do, your Fa, and your Sol. Back to your Do. So what was I playing? I was just playing this. You are the man. This one will be steady. See the movement? The finger in here. You play the chord here. You are the mighty God. See the movement? It's your Do, your Mi, your Sol, your Do, Mi, Sol, which makes up your Do, Mi, Sol, your Fa, your Sol, you see? I'm just making it very simple. Simple. I just broke it down to the easiest form of playing all this. So I also played my octave for my left, and on my right I maintain the chords. You are a man. still the same movement. This one is your do, so do, so do. You see? Your fa, do, fa. You see? Your so, re, so. Right hand, just learn it, something like this. You see? You are a man. All this movement. We shall do. Can we start? You see, you are. It's very simple. You just have to practice and you get it. Remember this do, fa, and the so, which is your 1, your 4, and your 5. Your do, fa, and your so. You can use many songs. This is how to play or worship on the key of C, the basics. If you want to learn it, you can replay this very tutorial over and over again and you get it. If I also